Hello, what's going on everyone? And in this video, I want to show you guys how you can actually download and install Kelp Finance and then begin to gain some money from Kelp Finance, okay? It's really very simple. We're going to download it first of all, and then we'll sign up, and then I'm going to show you some tasks that you have to perform to be able to get some money from that of the Kelp Finance. It's really very simple. So without wasting much time, let's dive right in, and we're going to let's just open up our phone right now to do this. So I'm going to go to my Play Store immediately, and once my Play Store is actually open, I can go to the search box right here and then begin to type. I'm going to just type Kelp space, and I'm going to just do finance and then click on enter, and that's actually going to search for it, and it's basically going to bring this up, and this is this particular one that says Kelp Finance right there. So we have to click on install, and then the installation is actually going to start. Okay, so quickly it has been downloaded and installing. So it's installed. Let's go ahead and then open it up. Let's click on open from here, and that loads successfully. And all you need to do right now is to go ahead and enter your referral code right here, okay? Which I'm actually going to flash my own referral code on the screen right now that you can actually use to sign up. So this is my referral code right here, so you can go ahead and enter it right there. So once you are done entering that, you need to click on set up wallet right here. So you click on setup wallet, and then it's going to take you to this next stage right here, and all you need to do is to click on new wallet. And if you have an existing wallet, you can select the second one, but I don't have an existing wallet, so I'm going to click on that first option right there, okay, which is new wallet, and then it generates a new wallet for me. So enter your passcode on this particular place, and it's just 4-digit numbers that you can enter, and you can also confirm it by entering the same thing right here, okay? So that is it. And here where it says additional security, you can either use your fingerprint for the security, or you can actually skip that. I think what I'm going to do is just skip this stage, okay? But you can enter your fingerprint there if you want to. Okay, so the next thing you need to do right here where it says welcome is to click on continue, and then your wallet has been created, okay? And just by signing up with that referral code, you have been given this page right here. So it says welcome to the future of money, and you can take your time to read through all these things that we have in here, okay, to build the next global currency. We are offering you to receive blah blah blah, all those things that we have here, and then you have your balance right there, 355.22 kept right there, okay? And you will also be given your referral code that you can actually share with people if you want to. So that is it right there, and it's really very simple. And down below are the tasks that you need to actually perform to be able to gain some KEP at this particular moment, okay? So if you want to perform those tasks, if you just scroll down, make sure that you're actually on the tab that says tasks, and then you can perform all of these tasks that we have in here, like subscribing to their email, follow them on X. You can do quite a lot of all these things that we have right here, okay? So once every time you perform any of these tasks that we have in here, you will be entitled to some amount of a cap, okay? So that is just what that is. And what I basically want us to do right now is let's just scroll through all of these tasks that we have right here, and just take a look at that. You also have the one that you can actually subscribe to them on YouTube. But let me just show you guys how you can actually perform some of these tasks. I'm going to show you maybe 2 or 3 of them. So the first one is to subscribe through their email. So I'm going to click on that and open that up, and then I can go ahead and enter my email right here, okay? So once you enter that, you click on subscribe, and of course if you check your balance right there after you subscribe, you're going to notice that your balance is actually going to increase, okay? So just watch what is going to actually happen right now. So this says email subscribe successfully, and then if you check your balance, you see that that really increased, okay? And that's just basically the simple tasks that you will be performing on their platform to be able to earn some cap, okay? And let's also try to maybe subscribe to them on somewhere like that of the X, okay? I think we can actually do that right now. Let's see how that works. And if you want to do that, you just basically need to touch on follow us on X, and you're going to bring up these. They say follow us on X. Once you open that up, make sure it opens with that of your X, which is formerly Twitter. And once the page opens up, all you need to do is just simply go ahead and click on follow. Let's just wait for that to open up. So this is their official handle on X. Okay, if you take a look at that and you see that it's actually verified, so you can go ahead and click on follow, and it says following. So that means that you're already following. Then you can also like or share their content right here. I think that is the tax that also allows you to do that. So it's really very simple. If you just scroll down, you can see where they made their latest posts. You can actually click on them, read through them, and at the end, you can actually maybe click on like, whatever you want to do right here. Okay, so but I feel like it's more necessary. It's a lot necessary that you follow the ones that they posted right here so that you can actually earn some money. Okay, so we've done this one, we followed them, and then our price, our balance also increased. And the next one you can do, just take your time to go through all of these things, guys. Go take your time. The more you perform all these things on their platform, the more you're actually going to earn some points. Okay, you're going to be gaining some cap. Okay, so it's really very simple, right? Really very simple. You need to take your time to go through all of these things, subscribe to their YouTube channel, and you can vote for them on whatever platform that they are on, and you are going to actually be gaining some cap. Okay, so that's just how simple that is. Thanks for watching, and then I'll see you guys in the next one.